for us. I'm gonna cross right here, please.
How are you? Good, thanks. Hand sanitizer, guys. For today's cooking channel,
we're going to make mac and cheese.
We have these two cutie little cuties. What is your name?
Katie.
Katie?
Lulu.
Lulu. How do we know you?
We from Illuminate.
We met you because of Illuminate. And what's the name of your boat?
Bacaruda.
Bacaruda. And because you guys are Bacaruda, what is the name of our boat now?
DiscipleShip.
We love that name.
And I'm not allowed to turn around and look at all.
Yeah, Mr.
Which makes me worried.
Well,
his name was DiscipleShip.
That's right, it is.
It's Mr. Fun.
No, it's Mr. DiscipleShip. It's only Mr. Fun when he throws us in the water.
Okay.
That's right.
Okay.
That's right. All right. So for today,
we're making a surprise for Mr. DiscipleShip.
we are, aren't we?
Well, I am. And it's gonna be, it's mac and cheese, and it's a surprise.
That's right. It's a special recipe, isn't it? Yes, it is. All right. So,
Water.
yep.
I'm just
Fill it up
looking
with
at
some water there, Missy.
you guys. I told her she looks like one of the pigs in the Angry Birds thing with the snaggle teeth.
A little more.
It's kind of.
So, whose idea was this? It was, wasn't it?
No, not that.
This is going to be amazing. Should we ask him if he wants hot dogs in it or just mac and cheese?
Yeah. Look at my head. Let's ask him.
You want to ask him?
I
All
don't
right.
really know him. Look at my head.
All right. Katie has a question.
What's the question, Miss Katie?
Do you want hot dogs with your mac and cheese or just the mac and cheese?
Hot dogs.
Okay, guess we need to go cut up some hot dogs.
How do I do that? Serve it, everybody. Wait, eat it. This Marina?
All right, how many? Oh, we have 2 more minutes left. All right, how much butter do we need? Tell me.
500 squares.
Check the box.
That much, 1/2. I just go
Half a tablespoon? That's it?
Yeah,
I random it too.
I just go like, oh.
That's right.
I think it's ready.
I think you're right. Okay,
How do I turn it off?
it off. Okay, pick up the pot.
Put in the strainer.
Yep.
That's the plan.
Okay.
Okay.
Don't look behind you.
He's not gonna look. He's
You are funny. Look, there's Miss
Get
Kayla
down
riding
there.
the fake horse. There's Miss Kayla riding
Why
the
won't
fake
it come
horse.
out? How am I supposed
Is
to
it all out?
That kind of concussion.
Ah! Look at concussion.
You want me to do it? You got it.
I'm the cook here.
Yes, you are.
What would you name that?
We went back 22 years later, 3 years.
That much butter.
Yeah, that's fine.
Why?
It's a little cold.
Rhinoceros.
Put it in.
Yep.
And then, you put this in.
And that's
Cheese.
no, that's a zonkey.
Gotta make sure you have the cheese, because you don't have the cheese much. It's just mac. It's just mac.
Yeah, we don't want just mac.
That's a zonkey. That's a donkey. That's a zonkey.
And then you need a splash of milk. Mac and cheese.
What? Yes, it is.
I need to do this. That just went on my forehead. You're the cameraman.
Oh, sorry. Okay, 3 tablespoons, so hang on.
I just pour splash.
Well, because it's
Okay, 3 tablespoons.
over the pot. Please, over the pot.
Ew, it's so thick.
It is, because it's heavy cream.
1.
So I would probably add 2 and then 1 more thing of water. And then just add that as water.
Water.
Whoa. Okay. Don't spill it. Don't spill it. No pressure. Don't spill it. I know the boat's rocking. Don't spill it.
I spilled it. I spilled it.
Into the pot. Right? Okay. Now, mix it up. Let's turn it back on very low, though.
Daddy.
You were doing such a great job of this.
I need a plate.
How about a bowl?
Bowl, plate, whatever. I don't care. I'm gonna pick out this bowl. Perfect. Beautiful. I think it's ready.
I think you're right.
Pour the whole thing in the bowl.
Yeah.
That's too much.
No! He'll eat it all.
I meant for the bowl. I made a mess. I'm gonna try it. Another picture. Pretty good.
All right, Enno.
Not yet. Don't look.
Wait, clean it up a little bit.
Don't look. Here goes mac and
There's stars on my mac and cheese.
Not just stars.
And you're going to the rainbow.
And it looks like cats.
Oh, there's no cats in there. Here you go.
Unicorn-shaped mac and cheese. What is wrong with you? You know what though? In the end of the day, it all looks the same. And it probably all tastes the same. Let me test and see.
It's a little thick.
Oh, thick as good. Guess what it tastes like?
Can I have some?
Mac and cheese.
Guys. Put your Lulu, put your face up against it. I have a question though. What happened to your teeth?
I lost them. I got $20 for 2 teeth.
Well,
Falling out.
so we heard that 2 of those teeth were stuck together, and that's why it was so hard for it to come out. Why did you think that they were stuck together? What did you think that they were stuck together with?
Nutella.
Nutella?
Back to the froyo.
Uh-oh.
This is kind of a fail, but it's also kind of working. Years ago, my father taught me an important secret. When you have a bunch of kids and they won't stop talking, you should buy them milkshakes. Because then they're going, and it shuts them up. But I couldn't find any milkshakes to get them, so I bought them ice cream, and it shuts them up temporarily.
Aww.
I just want to say thank you to these 2 great young ladies, Katie Ruda and Lulu Ruda from Bacaruda. Thank you so much. It was amazing.